Fine-tuning your understanding of fine-tune. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we'll be diving deep into the phrase, fine-tune. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also how and when to use it. Fine-tune is a compound word that consists of two parts, fine and tune. Fine often means something is of high quality or detail. Tune means to adjust, particularly in the context of music, to get the right pitch or sound. When combined, the phrase suggests the idea of making small adjustments to something to improve it or make it perfect. 1. Engineers often fine-tune machines to ensure they operate at maximum efficiency. 2. Before the concert, the musician took a moment to fine-tune her guitar. 3. The chef decided to fine-tune the recipe by adding a pinch of salt. From these examples, we can see that fine-tune can be used in various contexts, from machinery to music to cooking. It's all about making those final, precise adjustments. It's useful to know other words or phrases that convey a similar meaning. Some synonyms for fine-tune include adjust, refine, perfect, tweak, polish. So, there you have it. Fine-tune is all about making small yet significant changes to get something just right. Whether you're adjusting a machine, perfecting a skill, or refining a recipe, you're engaging in the act of fine-tuning. We hope this video has fine-tuned your understanding of this phrase. Happy learning!